Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name's Ailey. Today's video is going to be a tutorial on the look that you can see on my face right this second. This is another day of the 12 looks of Christmas. This is day 2. I probably should be way further on than this by now, but I'm getting there. I'm trying. I really am. It's kind of, there's only a certain amount of days in the week where I can actually film looks, and it's only going to get busier, so I am going to have to like really knuckle down this weekend. But this is the look that I've gone for today. I've gone for something a little bit more wintry, a little bit more sort of away from like the red and green sort of thing. The eye look is actually a lot more blue than I had anticipated. I actually thought it was going to be a little bit more green. I used predominantly the Dark Magic palette from the Jaclyn Vault collection because I realised that apart from doing a look with every palette, I haven't actually used this collection that much, and I will have another video coming that relates to this. Why I now believe this palette has been unfairly judged with James Charles' palette coming out. It'll make sense in that video. If you want to see what I'm talking about, I'll link it up here for you once it's up. But basically, I have a kind of a theory. So stay tuned for that. Anyway, yeah, this is just like day 2 of my 12 looks of Christmas, 12 slays of Christmas, whatever you want to call it. And it's more of a kind of dramatic look, so if you're going out on a night out, your staff night out maybe, or like New Year's Eve or something like that. So yeah, I think that is all I have to say about it. Anyway, I will let you go on and watch how I did this. If you want to see how I did it, then just keep watching. If you like this video, obviously I would love if you would give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I post videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. I'm hopefully going to keep that going over Christmas, but we'll see because I'm not sure what day Christmas falls on, but there'll be videos here, there and everywhere anyway. And yeah, I hope you're enjoying December and you're getting amped up for Christmas, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!
Well, hi there. We're starting off today with Becca First Light Priming Filter. I really like this primer. It's really good if you've got dry skin. It gives you that little bit of glowiness underneath your foundation. For a little bit of extra glow, we're going in with L'Oreal's Pro Glow Foundation. And this, if you know anything about it, it's got a little bit of kind of dewiness to it, so if you've got dry skin, it's a really good one to go for. And I'm using my all-time favourite concealer. As you'll know if you've watched my channel in the past, I really like this concealer. It's Conceal and Define from Revolution, of course, and I'm just putting that in all the usual places as well. This powder, I'm so devastated that I'm running out of it. It's the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder. I can't believe I just said that in one go. And it's really good if you've got any sort of dry skin. It's really good powder to go for. This is my first time using this. This is the Wet n Wild Dulce de Leche, please tell me I've said that right, powder. Basically it's a bronzer and setting powder in one. It's got a sort of banana powder in with it, and I actually really liked it. This is Tarte Blush in Birthday Suit, if I'm not mistaken. Really nice kind of neutral blush. It's really light, and I got it for my birthday as a perk from Sephora actually. For contour, we're going in with Makeup Geek Cool Porcelain. If you've watched my channel in the past, again, you'll know that this is my favourite contour shade of all time. I just think that the tone in it is just perfect, and I can use it pretty much if I have a fake tan or not. Here, this is a new product to me. This is the Hourglass Ambient Light Powder in Dim Light, and I just sort of dust this over the centre of my face to bring a little bit of dewiness and glow. I did my eyebrows off camera just because it's boring, and you know, you don't have to watch that struggle. Here we're going in with my MAC paint pot, and I'm cleaning up my brows and priming my eyelids before I go in with this, which is the Dark Magic palette from the Vault collection. I'm just picking up that shade. Don't ask me what it was called, but you obviously just see me point to it. This I actually thought was going to be a little bit greener, but I actually really liked the shade that it turned out, and I just literally stuck that in my crease. I can kind of tweak it a little bit later on. I just wanted to get the kind of shape that I was going to be going for. And this is the paint pot in Painterly again, and here I'm just cutting the crease and almost inventing a new lid for myself. Then I'm picking up this shade from the original Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm just putting this on the outer edges of that bit that I just cleaned up there. Then I'm going to go back into the Dark Magic palette and pick up this colour, and I'm going to put that right in the centre. Really, here I was thinking to myself I should have chosen 2 colours that wouldn't quite blend into each other, you know, and not be as noticeable, but I liked how it turned out in the end. With this little brush, I'm just making sure that I didn't take away too much of that bluey green colour and deepening it up a little bit, and by magic, my other eye's done. Here I'm just taking that shade again on that tiny little brush, which is the Best Brush of Life, and running that on my lower lash line. Then I used the Hourglass powder again on my brow bone, and I took this amazing jelly highlighter in my inner corners. I'm going to use this on my face later too, but I quickly jump off and put eyelashes on. Here on this side, I think I took too much product and I think it looked a little bit stripy, but over this side that highlighter just looks stunning. So I took this Morphe highlighter in Spark, and just to amp it up a little bit, why not, more is more, as Tatty would say. And next we're moving on to lips, which is Jeffree Star's Celebrity Skin. Love this nude lipstick, one of my new favourites, and that would be this look complete. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I will see you in my next video. Bye.